Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have a special little friend who loves baby dolls. And this New York collection, My First Stroller, has been the perfect addition to her set. One of the things that really impresses me about this stroller, first of all, is how heavy duty it is. It is made out of metal. The wheels are real, they move very easily. I like how real it is because it has a little strap to put the babies in, and it has a little awning here that opens and closes. And then it also has a little basket that's attached in the back that you can easily throw little toys in there and they can carry their little extras around with them. The size of this stroller is perfect because it fits all sorts of sizes of baby dolls. So even if they have tiny little baby dolls, they can use it for that. Or if their baby dolls are bigger, they fit perfectly inside there. So if you're looking for a little baby stroller for the little one in your life that's gonna last a long time, hold up, be durable, I highly recommend this stroller. She absolutely loves it, and that is just my point of view.